I recently teamed up with this amazing new product, bread cone, and this one is with sesame seeds on the outside. Look at this amazing shape, has delicious flavor, and there are endless possibilities. So I'm gonna share a recipe with you guys today. If you click this link above here, you're gonna see the video to see how I make a fall chicken salad. So I have the fall chicken salad right here ready already for you guys, but check out the recipe for this delicious salad too. So for this bread cone, what I was gonna do is I have one sliced tomato. I'm gonna put that on the edge of the cone. I'm gonna take this already made fall chicken salad here. This is packed with flavor. We have shredded carrots, grapes, celery. It has such delicious flavor. So we're gonna put that right here into our cone. Put some more. And I gotta leave a little room for our crispy lettuce. So I'm actually just gonna take this, break this lettuce off, and I'm gonna slide that right in there. These bread cones are actually very durable, so I can actually slide this all the way in there. A little bit more on the top. And this cone looks delicious. For the full recipe and how you can make this bread cone at home, visit nikkigleckis.com. And on Instagram, please follow us, bread cone, as well as Nikki Gleckis.